Hello members, this is Ashami Rahman from Passive Trading Every Group. How are you all? This is a weekly market forecast analysis from 17th to 21st of August 2020. So let's get started. Okay, first we have these pairs in our list, and uh, we have GBPNZD, NZDUSD, EURAUD, GBPAUD, and AUDUSD, AUDJPY, AUDCAD, and NZDJPY in our list. Okay, so let's get started. First, we have GBPNZD in our list, and we are on the daily chart as we can see. And what I want to show you is that this is the resistance support here, which was once a support, then again it has just wait a bit. Then it has just took it as a resistance here, and then market has just uh, broke this area again once again, and we have a, if I zoom in, we can see that we have we have taken out this level. If we go to the 4 hourly, we have a sequence of high rise and high lows. So what I'm anticipating is that market will come to this 50% to 61 area of the Fibonacci, and then it will resume for the upside direction once again. Okay, so that would be a good trade for us to go for longs on GBP and ZD, having a risk to reward ratio of 2.85. Okay, because uh, our next resistance would be somewhere around here. Okay, this one, somewhere around 2.04186, but keep a lookout on this level. If price reach here, use strict money management rules of yours. Okay, so this is the analysis for GBP and NZD. Next we have NZDUSD. Okay, so we can see that on the daily we have just taken out that support area. Okay, as you can see here, this one, this one. Okay, so what I'm anticipating is that market will come once again to this area of this of old support, a new resistance, and then it will go for the downside movement. Okay, and if we go to the 4 hourly, we can see that it has just making lower lows and lower highs. So let's see how market will unfold here. Okay, so this is analysis for NZDUSD. Next we have Euro AUD, and if we go to the daily, we can see that we have a resistance becomes support, and support becomes resistance becomes support, and that means what I call it a RS flip or SR flip. Okay, so what I'm anticipating is that market will come to this area, and it will violate this area of resistance, and then it will go for this uh, obvious supply zone, and then it will fall from that area of or red zone. Okay, so this is the analysis for Euro AUD. Next we have GBP AUD in our list, and as we can see, this is a daily chart, and we were on the downward momentum, downtrend, and but now market has just taken out this highs here, and that would be a new higher high. And what I'm anticipating is that market will come to this area once again, and then we will look for the good bullish entries to go for long entries. Okay, bullish signals to go for the long entries. Okay, so this is a conference area also because of the support and that Fibonacci area, Fibonacci level of interest 61 and 50. Okay, next we have AUD USD in our list, and as we can see, this is a daily chart, and we can see we are in the uptrend. Okay, in uptrend, and if we switch to the H4, we can see that market has just uh, crawling in the middle, and we would like to uh, we would like to have this price to go for our fresh demand zone, which was on the 1 hour, as we can see here. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, this is the fresh demand here. Okay, so what I'm anticipating is that market will come to this area, which come to this zone, and this zone is also a support area as well. Okay, so I will uh, I will like to uh, get in longs from this area. Okay, this is my ideal area to go for the long entries. Okay, so this is the analysis for AUD USD. Next we have AUDJPY in our list, and as we can see, this is a weekly resistance, and I think this is a weekly resistance and the key resistance as well. Okay, and as we can see, this price has formed some kind of pattern. Okay, what we called, I think we call it pennant. Okay, so whatever the shape is, it is in our favor, because if it if it breaks from the upside, then that would be a easy continuation for the upside momentum and trend continuation, upside trend continuation. Okay, so we would like to see a break here. We still don't know what will happen here, but if it breaks here, then we would like to look for the retest area here, and then go for the long entries. Okay, so this is the analysis for AUDJPY. Okay, if we go to the 4 hourly, is there anything? No. Okay, so next we have AUDCAD in our list, and if we go to the 4 hourly, wait a minute, this is actually a RS Philip here, and we can see that this market has just is in the this market is in the uptrend. And if we go to the weekly, this is the weekly level as well. That purple level is a weekly level of SR Philip. Okay, market has just bounced from here and here, then it has just taken out this level and act as a resistance on this level, on this same level. Okay, so if we go to the daily, we can see that market can bounce once again. Okay, because of this SR Philip, RS Philip actually, and that bullish engulfing. Okay, so if we go to the 4 hourly, what we have here is a channel, okay, which has just broken. Okay, and if we go for the one, if we switch to the H1, we can see that it's a higher high. Okay, and this higher high may come to this 50 or 51.8% of the Fibonacci level to form a higher low. Okay, so we would like to anticipate this movement from here. That would be our zone to execute for the longs, and then it will go for the upside movement. That's my analysis for AUDCAD. Okay, so the last market I would like to discuss is NZDJPY. Okay, we can see that this market has just reacted from the SR Philip. As we can see, this is the support, resistance, and then resistance. Okay, then market has just bounced from here recently, and then made a consolidation move. Okay, and if we switch to the 4 hourly, we have a obvious range structure here. Okay, and that orange line is a 4 hourly SR Philip, as you can see. Okay, so what I'm anticipating is that market will come to this area again. If it breaks here, it should break first, then it comes to retest this area and then go for the next move down. Okay, so this is the analysis for NZDJPY, and that's all for this week. Safe trading everyone, and take care.